The year was 1889, and the horse and wagon was a common mode of transportation in Lakeville. Nick Elans was a skilled woodworker and owned an altar shop located just off Holyoke Avenue near 206th Street. The shop specialized in making hand-carved altars, altar railings, and church confessionals made primarily of black walnut. The shop had been a barn before it was converted into a wood crafting business. It is also believed the shop made the fixtures for the cathedral in St. Cloud. Sadly, between 1894 and 1895, the shop moved to St. Paul, but not before the Lakeville altar shop established a reputation of fine craftsmanship that was one of the best in the state. This Lakeville History Moment is part of the Lakeville Area Historical Society's mission to educate residents about the community's past.